Hello and welcome to Nothing's in the Fridge. Today we have the cook-off episode. So I'm here in downtown Fort Worth with famous celebrity chef Matt.
How's it going all?
And today I will be trying to take him down in the cook-off.
We're doing Chinese food today, right?
Yeah, we're shooting for Chinese food.
style food.
Each will have an onion.
Yep.
I guess I should take this stuff out of the bag. Onion. A pepper. This is my pepper. I thought it needed some love, so I bought it. Some tempura batter. What kind of new?
These are like lo mein stir-fried noodles.
And some peanuts. And then there's some like mystery stuff just thrown in here and there. We're just gonna go for it.
And we're about to wing it, and we'll see how it goes.
All right, we're about to get started. There will be no helping, no cross cookery.
That's
No.
what he wants, so.
Hey, I know, you want to steal my secrets.
I guess today won't be the day for that, right? If we're not sharing.
Not today, Matt.
What a bummer, man.
We got 1 hour, maybe.
Okay.
Good enough. Battle onions. We got my batter here. There's you can't see any of this. Whoa.
What's up?
Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have looked in your. Yeah, I'm gonna show the people in America what yours is looking like.
That's the beginning of my sauce.
And, there's my sauce. My sauce already looks like it's basically done.
Oh, you're going right at it, man. All right.
We'll share this. This is a community pot.
Okay.
I guess I should put water on in it. But he gave me a clue. Alright, here we go. Tempura battered. Mid-cooking. Status update. Henceforth, what we have cooked. Mine looks like that. Matt's.
So far, I just got my sauce.
Matt just has a sauce, so he's behind me clearly. I feel like Gordon Ramsay would just be cussing at me like crazy right now. He would have died already from yelling at me. Matt is currently cutting up his chicken first.
Got my tempura batter.
He has
dip it in.
changed his tempura stuff into actual batter. Not just the puff of smoke it came out as. And he still has his vegetables all ready to go. This is apparently what any sane person would do. And that is my monstrosity. It's like it's cheering. Go, go. I want everybody to see this technique. He has put this battered chicken inside of a oily heat thingamabobber. I'm currently microwaving mine. Pick up a piece of that. Look at that. I could eat that right now. Check to see how my chicken's doing. It's not too hot. Ooh. Hey, I was not on the ingredients list. That's a red flag.
That's what this camera just opened this.
I'm gonna throw
I just use salt.
I'm gonna throw a yellow card. 2 more minutes. See, Matt's wasting time cleaning stuff. I don't want to say his head's out of the game, but it totally is.
Like, if the raw chicken touched all of that has to reach the temperature of the chicken for it to be cooked. So, like, you may have, like, just cross-contaminated.
Well, what if I throw all of that into the oven? Both of our things have ended up in the oven. kind of get rid of the cross-contamination of the potential chicken salmonella outbreak, I control release intentionally inside of my dish. What's this tempura batter taste like? Chalk. Tastes like chalk. You look angelic with the light over your head. Look, he's having a thought. So here we have it. We've finished the cook-off, and here are our dishes. Matt, would you like to talk about your dish first and what it is called?
So basically, I just have this tempura chicken, battered tempura fried with a ginger glaze sauce made out of just ginger and teriyaki, with some sauteed bell peppers, mushrooms, and rice noodles. And yeah, the chicken's just on top with the glaze on top.
Very, very nice, very nice. And mine, as you can see, I use the secret ingredient card to throw figs all over mine. I took a bite of this stuff. It's really heavy on the ginger. It's because I didn't cut it enough. But I would still say it is a spectacular dish. I would call it the poor man's tempura, or the tempura man. Now, we will take a taste test of each other's dishes. Now that we've tasted our own. So I'm just going to dive right in there to Matt's.
Spit some of that chicken, man. Chicken's good.
Okay.
Is it good?
That's the worst thing I've ever. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Now try mine. Try one of my figs.
I'll try.
Now keep in mind that was sautéed, microwaved, and put in the oven.
Not bad, man. I got more if you want some.